Today's question. A solution of sucrose with molar mass 342 gram per mole has been prepared by dissolving 68.5 gram of sucrose in 1000 gram of water. So the freezing point of solution obtained will be Kf for water is 1.86 Kelvin kilogram mole inverse. So what is the formula, children, for this? Yes, delta Tf is equal to Kf into m. So m W2 into 1000 by m2 into W1. So on substituting this, we get 68.5 by 342. So in substituting delta Tf, Kf is equal to 1.86 into 68.5 by 342, that is equal to 0.372 degree Celsius. So the question is Tf of the solution. So Tf is equal to Tf naught minus delta Tf. So Tf naught is 0 degree Celsius minus 3.372 is equal to minus 0.372. So the answer is option